What up, my geometry geniuses? I'm back, and so are you. Today we're going to learn how to do area of a circle. So, on the board I have written the equation of the area of a circle. Circle, circle, woo! So, I got pi r squared. Okay, so that means that I'm multiplying pi times r squared. So if we move on, we can see that I have drawn a circle in purple. Woo! So I've written the d is equal to 12, but they're asking for the r. So if the d is 12, the r must be 6. Yes, very good, my geometry geniuses. I know, you knew how to do that yourself. So if I plug in 6 to where the r is, because that's what I'm supposed to do, I do 6 squared. And what's 6 squared?
36.
36, very good, student of mine. So if I'm doing all that correctly, I should have 6 squared, which is equal to 36. We just said that. So I'm multiplying that by pi. What's 36 times pi? I don't know yet. I did the calculations. I multiplied 36, which was my radius squared, times the pi. I found that it was 113.04. Now, you might come across a question where some of the answer choices might be not this. It might just have 36 times pi. That is also a valid selection. That's also valid, okay? Just remember that to get the radius, we halved the diameter because the radius is half of the diameter. Wow. Let's move on. Okay. Yeah? Welcome back to the same video you've been watching this whole time. So right now we have area of a sector of a circle. So what do I mean by sector? I mean like this little portion of the circle, okay? I only want to know what this area is, okay? So to find that out, we have an equation. Wow. So we have the sector area is equal to the angle, which it would be like right here, the angle, okay? Angle over the amount of, degrees in a circle, which is 360. You all should know that by now. So angle over 360 times pi r squared. So basically, angle over 360 times the area of a circle, okay? Times the area of a circle. Area of circle. Happy face. And if we come back over here, we can see that I can make a little Pac-Man out of my sector. Waka, 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 waka. Okay, so I have written down an example of a circle with the diameter and the angle, okay? So again, my equation, well, the area of a circle and my sector area of a circle includes radius, okay? So again, I have to get that diameter and half it, because radius is half the diameter. So once I do that, the radius turns into 6. So I just substitute that 6 into the r. Where the angle was, I included the example 56 degrees. So I have 56 over 360. And what's a fraction in disguise? Division. Very good. So I end up getting 0.16. That's rounded, okay? Times pi, 6 squared, which is 36, of course, times pi, which gets me 113.04. Now all I gotta do is multiply those together. Use your calculators for this. So I get, I believe it was 18.09. Okay? Roughly rounded. So that's how I get the sector area of a circle. Pretty easy. Okay, y'all, last thing I'm going to teach you, it is how to graph a circle. So I have the equation of a circle right here, or how to graph it rather. So that h and that k, you're like, what are those variables? Well, that's h comma k, that's the center of the circle, okay? So the equation will give you h and k, but you got to figure out that if it's negative or positive. So the equation is minus h minus k. So if it's just minus 3, you know that the h is going to be positive. Minus 4, the k is going to be positive, okay? And then they give you r squared, they give you 16. So r would, like, you have to square root that. R would just be 4. Okay, so from here, I can plot my point. I have the radius, so I plot my point. I do the radius, and of course, for the radius, it's anywhere onto the circle. So I'm just gonna go 4 up, and how do we count on a coordinate plane? Vertical and horizontal. So these will all be points on the circle. And from there, we can just make a circle. Kind of bad. You get the point. That's it. Peace out.